Why do we keep saying long hair transplant treatment for hair fall or hair loss is the most premium treatment available on Mother Earth? So, in the long hair transplant technique, please remember only two things: no trim, no shave. Now, let me explain what I want to say. So, people who are doing hair transplants are conventionally told to shave off their entire head. Whether you're a celebrity or whether you're someone who's not a celebrity but is an important person, because for you, you are the most important person, and you have either a matchmaking or have to go on a stage, receive an award. You're a doctor, lawyer, pilot, for that matter. Anyone who does not want to wear a cap. The keyword does not want to wear a cap for 2 months. Keyword does not want to tell everyone that you've done transplant. Keyword does not want to have all those red dots all over your head. Then the only treatment possible for you is a long hair transplant. Now, I believe long hair transplant should be the first choice for everyone. Unfortunately, it's an expensive procedure. An average long hair transplant can be anything from 3 lakhs to 8 lakhs. It depends on what is being done, how many hair follicles are being implanted, and who is doing the procedure. In fact, in Dubai, long hair transplant treatments cost more than 25 to 30 lakhs. At least in India, it is almost one tenth the cost of that in Dubai. In US, it can end up costing more than 50 lakh rupees. So all those of you who run to Dubai, who run to US for the hair transplants, please know the very same technology is available in India at a fraction of the cost. Now, long hair transplant allows you to get back to normal life within 3 days. In 3 days, you can just throw your cap away and you can go to your office, and no one will know that you've done a hair transplant procedure. So, how does that sound? So, we at Divine are gradually moving towards long hair transplants only, and we do not want to do any of those conventional procedures which involve shaving and trimming. So, if you want to connect with us at Divine, please understand that you are going to be asking for a long hair transplant then. Now, we want to give the best to our patients for all techniques, whether it is liposuction, whether it is breast surgery or hair transplant. And therefore, we believe that long hair transplant is the way to go for you if you want a good hair transplant result.